What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nash, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a voice assistant in Python. So we're going to be using Wikipedia. That's going to be the first thing we need to install. If you are using PyCharm, you can just go to Python packages right here on the bottom and select that, and you can search for Wikipedia, which is right here, and you can hit install. There should be an install button over here. So if I select something like this here, you see an install button here. Okay. Now, if you don't have this, you have a different program here. You can just do it the manual way. So pip install Wikipedia and run this. So I already have the package installed. All you got to do is import it once you have it installed. So first things first, we're going to import our Python text-to-speech. So Python text-to-speech. And we're also going to import Wikipedia. So, all right. These are going to be the only two imports that we need for this project. Now, the next thing is going to be to name our voice assistant. So I'm going to go ahead and name him or her Nash. And I'm going to do initialize this. Next thing is going to be to create our search bar. Okay, so this is going to be where we're going to be able to add the input. Or as you can see here, we're just getting the user input. Now, once we have the user input, we want to be able to take that input and search it in Wikipedia. So to do this, go ahead and create a search results, something like that. And I want to get our Wikipedia dot summary. Just going to get the summary. We don't want to read everything in here. All right. Now we're going to bring in the user input, which was search bar. So which is going to be what we created up here. So we were just grabbing this, and we're going to grab sentences from Wikipedia, and we're only going to grab the first two sentences. All right. So if you want to grab one sentence to make it short, you can do that. You want to grab 2, 3, 4, 5, you can do that. I think 2 is pretty fair because it's not going to, take too long to explain. You don't want it reading the entire page, right? That's what you're trying to avoid. All right, so once we have this, we're going to go ahead and we actually want to see what it's reading, right? If you want that, you can use a print. You can print it over here, and it's going to print this search result, okay? You can also print the search bar as well if you want to do that, but I'm just going to leave it at the search result. All right, so once we print it out on the screen, we actually wanted to say it, right? So I want to do Nash dot say, and then the search result. Okay, once we do that, now we're just gonna go ahead and run it. Okay, so Nash dot, so I'm gonna go ahead and run this. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit run. Now we have our search bar down here. Now we're gonna go ahead and search for, let's search for Mexico. So Mexico,
officially the United Mexican States, is a country in the southern portion of North America. It is bordered to the north by the United States, to the south and west by the Pacific Ocean, to the southeast by Guatemala, Belize, and the Caribbean Sea, and to the east by the Gulf of Mexico.
and there we go. So if you want to do this again, you can go ahead and hit run again, and you're going to be able to search this again. So that is pretty much it. All right, so that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go and hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.